the goal is to get the letter U by itself, or whatever letter you're talking about. Okay, so we need to make the other numbers like this 2 and this plus 13, we need to make them disappear. So it's probably best is to go for the number that's on the same side of the equals but isn't attached to your U. So like this plus 13, that's a sitting duck. We can get rid of that number. And the way we're going to do that is by doing the opposite operation to it. I'm just trying to make my pen bigger, but I don't think I can. So right now it's plus 13. I'm going to keep my equation balanced by doing a minus 13 to this number and then a minus 13 over here. Okay, because if we do that, a plus 13 and a minus 13, they cancel each other out, right? It turns into nothing because they're opposites of one another. So we're left with U over 2 equals, and then notice how I wrote a minus 13 on the right side of the equal sign. Do it once on the left, once on the right. So if we do that 27 minus 13, we get 14. So there's the first step. We got rid of that plus 13. And second step, we're still trying to get the letter U by itself. Right now we have a divide 2 going on, so we can do the opposite. We can multiply 2 to both sides. Okay, multiply 2 there, multiply 2 over here. That's the opposite of dividing. And if we do that, the 2 times the U over 2, those are going to cancel because one's multiplying, one's dividing. They cancel each other out, leaves us with just 1. We got 1 U like we wanted. And now we just have to simplify the right side. We had to multiply 2 to both sides to keep it balanced. So 14 times 2 gives us 28. And that's our answer for U. If you were to plug that back in with your calculator, do 28 divide 2 plus 13, it equals 27. So that means we got the right answer. Okay, so let's do one more. So to get U by itself here, I'm going to do the same thing. I have 4U plus 8. I'm going to take care of the number that's not attached to the U on the left side first. I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. Okay, because if I do that, I'm going to be left with 4U, but the 8's gone because I already did the opposite to it. Doing the opposite makes it disappear. And with your calculator, 64 minus 8 makes 56. And then right now that says it's a 4 written next to a U. That means multiplication. That's saying 4 times U equals 56. So I'm going to undo multiplication with its opposite. I'm going to divide 4 from both sides. And that leaves me with U, which equals 56 divided by 4. 56 divided 4 gives us 14 with our calculator. So that's our answer for U. And again, if you plug that in with your calculator, if you do 4 times 14 plus 8, it makes 64.